emerald ash borer is devastating ash trees across the U.S. Forests are hollow, neighborhoods are bare. Injections can kill the pest. But they don't answer the real question. Why was the tree vulnerable in the first place? At Easy Environmental Solutions, we go deeper. Terreplenish restores roots. It strengthens defenses. And it works alongside insecticides for true recovery. Tree removal costs thousands. It erases shade, property value, and ecological benefits. Terreplenish helps trees survive and thrive from the ground up. In our 2-year sap-flow study, untreated trees pulled water only during the day. But the Terreplenish-treated trees never stopped. They kept absorbing moisture, day and night. That constant flow gave them a critical edge under stress. Pair Terreplenish with easy Nano-Void Water, and the impact is amplified. This super-oxygenated water energizes microbes, boosting sap flow, nutrient uptake, and canopy recovery. The plan is simple. Apply around the base and bark. Reapply seasonally. Best results come in fall and spring. As above, so below. Don't just fight the insect. Regenerate the soil. Save your trees from the inside out. Reach out for your action plan today at easyenviro.com.